Luster and consistency are exceptional. The spectral reading confirms premium grade A standard.
That meets our target metrics.
A behavioral specialist reviews the data, confirming the low-stress environment, which is essential because
The farmer notes the active use of the environmental enrichment features, confirming that the spacious, complex enclosures are.
Every rich Mahogany Brown mink on the farm has a complete, verifiable history from birth. Guaranteed.
The enrichment utilization is high this hour.
Agreed. Muscle tone looks robust across the group.
The heating elements show precise calibration.
Confirmed. I'm initiating the gradual temperature drop sequence now.
All right, guys, easy now. In you go. Good job.
Doors open, let's go. Get the jack ready. Right here, boss.
After flushing, American Standard Mink pelts pass through an automated scanner assessing density and color.
Drake. Rich Mahogany Brown American Standard Mink pelts are fed into large industrial machinery equipped with specialized rollers.
The American Standard Mink components are vacuum sealed in specialized protective plastic. Automated machine.
Parameters are stable. Flow rate and temperature confirmed.
Logistical handover complete. Stage B integrity verified.
The residue levels are within safe parameters for Process A.
Confirmed. We can proceed with the recycling batch.
Checkpoint reached.
Confirmed. System authorized. An automated system applies a highly secure, tamper-proof holographic label. This label serves as the...
Check the addresses on the manifest here against the customs data.
Looks correct. All documentation confirmed.
The integrity of the traceability data is confirmed.
Excellent. Stage A production is fully compliant.
The composition profile looks excellent.
Agreed. The genetic integrity is confirmed. We are ready for sign-off.
High-detail QR code labels detail the exact biological source, collection date, and sterilization method.
All unusable organic residue is collected and moved into a dedicated bio-waste processing.
Workers in full clinical white cleanroom suits pass through an air shower system. This adherence to cleanroom standards is
Inspection complete. We are cleared for the next run.
Confirmed. Reviewing the data logs now. The centrifuge is running within tolerance.
Excellent. Maintenance complete.
South Asian female workers exiting the sterile secondary factory area undergo a full decontamination cycle.
The density is remarkable, truly superb.
It is our finest American Standard Mink.
Temperature is stable at minus 185. All traceability labels checked out. Confirm.
Confirm. Thank you.
The American Standard Mink samples provide a reliable and traceable resource, critical for our ongoing drug development and safety testing procedures.